this is Renee Gillard, and I'm here to talk to you about my single story. My single story starts with me being a woman entrepreneur. I have been a woman entrepreneur for about 15 years now, and I find that the story that is always told is that I don't have enough guts, or I'm not going to be able to handle the money as well, or I'm not going to find the funding that I need. And I think that this is a story that, especially in the United States, we have lived by for a really long time. And it's not one that I see huge changes in either. I've done a ton of research about women and entrepreneurs, and we show that women actually deal with this money a lot better than men, and that women are able to create a higher profit for a company than men as well. And statistics show this. But there's still the story, and there's still the stigma around women not being able to create a business that is as good as a man. And I think one of the areas that we really see this in is funding. Women do not get funded as much as men do for their companies. And this has been a huge struggle for women for a really long time. And I really do hope that one day this single story can be changed. I was reading the diversity book, and we were talking in the book, it was talking about feminism and sexism and how we can counteract this. And we have this patriarchal system where women really aren't supposed to be entrepreneurs, and they're not supposed to be the ones that are the breadwinners. And we also have, what is feminism? What does feminism actually mean? And we see that there's this dichotomy here, and we're trying to create a system that is equal between men and women. So I do hope to get rid of this single story and hopefully day by day make some changes with a successful company of my own. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.